Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on the look I am wearing, and ये वाला जो eyeshadow look है मैंने इस palette से create किया है using this one, and this is the I Heart Makeup Chocolate Rose Gold palette, and ये Huda Beauty का exact dupe है, like kind of the exact dupe है, and इसके जो shades है बहुत ही ज़्यादा pigmented है and it's a very beautiful palette. So जितने सारे भी मैंने shades मेरे eyeshadow पे use eyes पे use किया है as an eyeshadow, मैंने सारे इसी palette से use किया है. This is how the look turned out to be, and I really like the eyes. For the eyeshadow, I really like the combination. Eyeshadow अगर आप देख सकते हो तो it is a nice shimmery olive color with taupe as well as warm brown, and जितने भी सारे मैंने shades use किए हैं they are pretty pigmented and extremely buttery soft, very easy to blend. And lips के लिए मैंने use किया है ये pink color. First मैंने सोचा था कि मैं nude use करूँगी, but then nude I just did not want to use nude, so I used this one. This is from the Lakme Absolute range, and this is in the shade Desert Rose. So again, this is how the look turned out, and if in case you're interested, then please do keep on watching. थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा हो. If yes, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe, and do follow me on my Instagram page. The direct link is in the description box, and thank you so much for watching.